God is in control. Hi there, kumusta ka? Minsan, kapag nasa gitna tayo ng pagsubok, napakahirap maniwala na may magandang plano ang Diyos para sa atin. But today, I'd like to encourage you. God is in control. Nothing happens in our lives that He is not aware of. Sabi nga rin, sa salita niya, God works for the good of those who love Him. Maaaring naguguluhan ka, natatakot ka, nalulungkot ka, but in the middle of it all, God is with you and God is in control. Siya ang magbibigay sa iyo ng panibagong lakas para harapin pa yung bukas. You just need to have faith every single day. Faith doesn't mean understanding everything. It means that kahit hindi mo alam ang sagot, naniniwala ka at nagtitiwala ka that God is with you and that God is in